Brunson's traffic secrets changed the way I do marketing. Hi everyone, I'm Vera. Welcome back to Welcome Circle, the place for your personal growth and self-development. So in this quarantine time besides working, I'm spending my time in reading. That's one thing I love to do, and I got myself recently this book. It's The Traffic Secrets by Brunson. So I have been reading this book and learning the strategies, and it changed the way I think in doing marketing. And today I want to share with you some strategies that I have learned and I found remarkable, and every one of you should know so that you too can implement them in your business. So what I love about this book is how Brunson breaks down the lessons so easily that everyone can understand, and he reveals exactly how to build a list of raving fans and customers using very simple and repeatable strategies. And he also shows you step by step how to capitalize on different kinds of traffic. And when you know traffic, you dominate your niche. So one of the most important things that I learned from the Traffic Secrets book is the framework of the hook, story, and offer. This framework is the core foundation of how we sell anything online. It's how we trace back every funnel we set up. If something is not working, it's always because of the hook, story, offer. So it's an important framework everyone should master. So to explain it in a simple way, hook is something that grabs someone's attention. So you can tell them a story. For example, the subject line of your email or the thumbnail on YouTube videos. So as the first step is the hook, the second step is the story. So after the hook grabs the attention, you want to connect with them through your story. So the goals of your story is to build connections with your customers or to create value of your offer. And the last step is the offer. So to conclude all of them, the hook grabs your customer's attention, the story creates the desire, and the last step, you want to put out your offer. If your ads are not working, it's because of the hook, story, offer. If your conversions are not working, it's because of the hook, story, offer. So, if you want to solve all the problems, you have to create better hooks, have better stories, and make better offers. Next, I want to share with you 4 things you can do before you create funnels and drive traffic to your business. So the first step is to decide who you really want to serve. To fill your funnels with your dream customers, you have to know them and understand them better as they understand themselves. And the second step is to choose the platform you want to engage in. The place where you will spend most of your time because you want to understand how to communicate in the language on the platform. And the third step is to build a dream 100 list. It's the list of the people who have already had your dream customers on this platform. And the fourth step is you want to start digging your well with the dream 100 list. Figure out ways to serve them and start working your way in. And at the same time, learn the strategies of how you can buy your way in on that platform. So this is where you should start and focus 100% of your energy. With every dollar you make online, reinvest a big percentage of your profit back into advertising. And don't stop, because traffic is the lifeblood of your company. And consistent lead flow is the secret to a healthy business. Every day ask yourself these questions. How you can improve yourself? How you can give yourself a raise? For example, how can I get more traffic? How can I add more people to my dream 100 list? How can I get them to promote my offer more often? Because without good marketing, your ideas will just be that good ideas. Even if you create the greatest products, if you can't market it and serve others, it's no use. How you can make people come and hear your message, how you're going to reach them if they don't know you, and how you serve your customers if you don't see them. So those are the things you want to think about. It's not just about driving traffic, it's to understand what traffic actually means. Internet marketing is not about what you do, it's about who you serve. And if you learn these strategies, you learn the skills for life. So hands down, this is definitely the best book I have read on traffic. So the things I share with you today are only some of the many secrets included in this book. In this book, Russell talks more about other traffic secrets that you can implement today to drive more traffic to your offer and to your business. Discover what it's like to create a company that profits, makes an impact, and thrives in today's world. So if you want to start or grow your online business, this book covers everything. It literally changed the way we do marketing. I highly recommend it, so go ahead and get your copy today. I've put a link in the description below. Anyway guys, I hope you find value into this video and stay tuned to my next videos because I will share with you more personal growth hacks that you can apply in your life. With that being said, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications button so you don't miss my next videos. Thank you guys to spend your time with me today. I appreciate it a lot, and as always, I wish you a great day and see you in my next videos.